What's up, guys? This is my first ever video here in YouTube, and hopefully I can do some more. But today we're only gonna do some cute vlogs and stuff because since it's also my best friend and my other friend's birthday, that we're going to celebrate on a seashore. Yeah, and then I think we're gonna do some fun activities, gossiping, games, and just constantly having fun. So my other friends are already there. I think are just we're going to meet up at this certain place, and as you can see, I'm casually dressed up right now. It's just a normal day, and then I'm gonna go right now, and I'll see you the next time. So yeah, I'm on my way right now to meet them. And then I wore this thing. I don't know what the fuck is this thing called. Like, since it's a shore, I need to wear something refreshable. I'm just on my shorts right now. And as you can see, yeah, it's middle of the afternoon right now. It's really hot. I'm lucky that there's shades and shadow up here because it's what does it called again? It's a rural area. It's province. So these are the advantages of province. We have shades by the trees and leaves. Also, there are refreshing breeze up here compared in the cities. But I'm not bragging though, but it's just facts. Now I'm waiting for their text and their location so that I can go up there and then meet them. Probably I can also bring some treats. Hoping I can bring some treats. Well, I can't entertain you more right now because I'm waiting for their chats and I'm only bringing my phone right now. So I think I'm gonna get you back later when I already see them or when I'm gonna buy treats. Okay, so I'm still on my way up there and they already sent me the location. Yeah, the location. So for now I'm still walking up to the location and I'm gonna pick up a friend of ours. Well, casually, in our group of friends, I just need to tell you this. Casually, in our group of friends, we have 7 members. Yeah, but that's not included. That's not included with my best friend. Yeah. Well, there is my circle of friends and there is my best friend. My best friend, which is also his birthday today. Shout out to Jikunaya. Is in the city right now. Yeah. He's in the city right now while I'm in the province, and then it's been months since I last saw that guy, my best friend. And then so I casually started hanging out with my new friends, my circle of friends right now. And it's my other friend's birthday right now. So that's why we're celebrating. And then okay. Also, just a daily reminder. My friends are not, well, some are kind, but most of them are like a baddest bitch, just like me. I'm a baddest bitch, you know. So let's just hope that today would be a great day. So okay, I I can now see the friend I was telling about, a girl I was picking up, and the two of us were gonna go to the location, which is the seashore area. It's called the Linaw though. It's kind of dark against the light. She looks happy. Oh my God, thank God. She brought on an umbrella. Nagdala lagi kag payo. Oh my God, init kayo. Alik na vlog ko. Alik, say hi. Vlog. Ano ka? Hi.
Hi. Hi. Nag-vlog ko dito sa video.
Asa di sila?
Kamulong.
Tanan? Lisa?
Pwede ay.
Dili? Ano ka ata sa GC mo ko siya?
Hindi ko. Baya.
I thought, so one of our friends is not gonna attend.
May host.
So continue. One of our friends is not going to be able to attend the I don't know. Then some of our friends are already there. Okay, additional information. One of our friends' birthday was also yesterday. So we're going to celebrate it today together with my other best friends. So both of our friends in the circle of group are going to celebrate their birthday today. So yeah, magdala silang food.
Naku ko ba lubo?
I thought if they'll bring treats, it would be better. If not, I think we're going to buy treats first. Yeah. We're still on our way, and it's constantly extremely hot right now. So I'm gonna get you back.
Hey.
Then we're already there. So see ya. And just wait. My friends are already here. Look at them. They're talking at our native language, dialect. We're Bisaya.
Ay, nago. Nanggikan ba sa tikapel? Baklay pa ba?
Boring kayo sa balay ah. Pura sa dito. Ganina ra ko si Pangulong.
Magbutang ng food mo. Di ba? Magkuyog lang namin nila ando. Amo siguro yung pag-una. Okay na. Agita ila. Agita ila. Mga min ba yung kakay ko? Kasunod mo na ako. Kasi may nakasunod yung mga. Ayo. Laro yung nag-Twitter. I-post ba ako ni?
Si Jikon daw.
Yeah.
Ano dito dito?
I've texted him naman. Nag-video call me ni Jikon kapundugay kimi naman. It's her birthday. It's her birthday today. Yeah.
Pwede mo ito itong na-red mo gate.
That's the girl I was talking to you about, and this is my circle of friends so far. Some are unattended and some are late.
Dahil naman yan ay. Pwede ko
Yeah, mention Jude. I mention Jude.
Basta natoy dalan nga makuanan og motor, di ba? Kita ka to? Katunda ko kayo. Dito gid sa highway ba? Kita gid kayo. Kato ka dito. Dito.
Okay, so we have two additionals. Crystal and Rona.
Wow, that's good.
We have additional kakaroon.
Ano itong nuggets mo? Tanay.
So yeah. Some of them are using motorcycles. That's freaking unfair. That's why they're the baddest bitch.
Wala lagi kakaroon.
Wala ra. Samot magpainit, God. Kamo ka nagpaputi ko. So we're all finally complete. We're missing one member, but we have been constantly added two members. Yeah, it's kind of hard. So yeah, we're now walking at our final destination. I'm gonna show it to you what the destination would look like. They're so slow. It's what makes them a bitch. They walk so slow. Those bitches are freaking huge. So that's why they're walking so slow. It's freaking hot. And they're walking so slow. That's what I hate about it. And they're talking about their... So yeah. Well, they are gonna swim. I'm just gonna... Okay, wait. Wait. Shan! Ila Jikon dirino. Sa una. Unsa?
Nado si Jikon.
Kay.
Nado si Jikon.
Ano kita man ta?
Bukit tayo. Bukit tayo. Ikaw yung pagkala. Shabu-shabu po. Ito man tula mo ilagikon. Ilagikon ta. Ilagikon ta. Ako na bala. Makala ko lagi punta ini galandong. Ano ako dito sa kuan? Wala lagi ta dito niya. Tabad na ra.
Wala ra. Para pagawas na to tanang baho. Char. So yeah,
Bye kung ano diri lang ko na.
we are now taking adventure right now. And look at the way. It's freaking so hard. Yeah, it's very suburban. Oh. Careful. What? Nakatry naman ko ni dire. Second time. Kato pa tong dili ta pwede mo agi dito. Sumunod diri ta nang agi. Sa una para lang makaadto ni Jikon. So Jikon is the one or my best friend that I was telling you about. Unsa man unsa man pud na inyong gikuan-kuan ko? Si Balete.
Baliti good na may kapre.
Ha?
Big tree.
Ay kanang hadlok nga kahoy.
Iputol ka. Ito ko baloas.
Unsa na din na diri pati ta daw.
Kanang kahoy din sa una god niya. Karon kay
Sorry if I'm talking my native language right now, native dialect. Cause like, yeah, dugay pa ta.
ano, like minute or so.
Okay, we're almost there. Whew. Hiking cho pero sa dagat. Whew.
Exercise na yan.
Yeah.
Para dili ito pero dito sa station.
Nangatol na ko. Yeah. Congrats. We're already here. There. Sulod anang area. Oh my God. It's not high tide though.
Low side man.
Gani. Magulat mo hantod na high tide. Dili lang.
Uy, kuan man na.
I think kanina buntag na nag-high tide.
Lain.
Ay, mahadlok man lagi ko. Oh my God.
Ha?
Look.
Ano pala?
I wanna show you this. It's low tide though. Done taking photos with the shoot and stuff. Now,
Oh my gosh!
Some of them are already in their way. Where are they? Oh, there they are. They're in the seashore. Ano sige tawagan ng nanginhas? In English?
Picking shell. Hindi
Si shelling.
Shelling.
Shelling? Something like that. I don't know. I'm still learning English. Not really that good at it. Hey, pag-mention, jud mo, girl.
Itong friend ni Jicol, nakagaling yung pod.
Ano siya? Jelly Rose?
Jelly Rose siya?
Jelly Grama ba na siya? Jelly may drama.
Bak talaga dito.
Look at that's our additional member. Her name is Crystal. Like the one on the last. You look like mother. Ano kag inahan? Ano siya inahan, day?
Hindi ko mato dito.
Ito na.
Shan!
Paisa, oy! So, magunsa man tawa, te baton?
Deson. Ito dito nasa na?
Hindi ko ganun dyan maligo. Di po ko maligo.
Kali ko mo sa dito ba? Oh.
Di po ko ganun mabasa kay init. Ay, unya naguro ko hapon. I don't want to like, to go tan because I'm setting my goal right now na magpaputi like white. Setting my goal to look whiter. So the two birthday persons, the two birthday persons, not like my best friend, we're on his area right now. Well, they are shelling the seashore. I don't know how to like entertain people that much. Not really good at it. Can you like hear the sound of peace and breeze? Yeah, they're still taking their photos. So one thing about our culture though is that we Bisaya is like frankly persons, and I don't know if it's just us or like it's just common for like Bisaya to be like tough. We're really brave, like we're frank persons. Like we go straight to the person if one has a problem, like that. We should like play koan, truth or dare. No? Hindi ko ganahan. Dakpanan na tapag last time, oy, di ba? Dito sa
Bit, nautigi ko. Kita tulo.
yeah. Upat, honey, dahan niya. Apil si honey.
Kung may nautig ako ko.
Yeah. I think we're gonna play truth or dare, or who knows us best. Hoy, tawagan mo kasi Jicon. Tawagin niyo ka. Ikaw, Lyle. She's still taking her photos. You know, you're like one of the baddest bitch here in El Pardo. And you fucking slayed it.
Magkakaw ko sa
What? Is it about the accent or like the way I talk? I'm still not that comfortable talking in English though.
Tabi.
It's not like primarily our main language. Here in my culture,
Nanawag si mama ni Uhane!
we speak like 3 languages:
Ano kumadol o na?
English, Filipino, and Bisaya. Bisaya say ka dialect. Yeah. So I'm gonna just set this up so that like I can relax and wait for them till they get back. You know. Okay. I'm gonna just set this up real quick. They're still taking the photos. They're taking turns. Yeah,
Dili asad ka
I am.
Kon ha, dili ha. Ay sabi.
The fuck is that?
Ikaw na ron na.
Change of location again. So now we're going to our next location. You know, they're already done taking pics. Okay, additional since I haven't mentioned this freaking guy. That one. Where is my kuan sinina, guys? Finding my t-shirt right now. Oh my god, see? That makes them a bad bitch.
Ay, gano'n lang naikinan. Gano'n naikis-kis din. Ano?
See? The birthday girl is angry. Ouch.
Nagubaan ako tinuon yung nawang.
See?
Di ba ba? Amin ako kami kay mag-shirt ko.
Mabasa ka god. Common sense.
Asa sa agi ko eh.
Dagat.
Ako pagkaon.
What? Oh my god.
Hay na ko ni siya. Oy, hindi na mahuhatod nga na. Limuta daw siya.
We're gonna go across the sea. We're gonna walk across the sea to the next destination. Wait, I'm gonna show you where it is. I'm just there, as you can see, like at that area, almost like at that area. Right there. And we're gonna walk across this low tide sea full of bacteria, I'm supposing. Yeah.
Oy, nalaman si Taway og
Yeah. Oh my god, there is a starfish. Starship. There's a starfish. Look at starfish, guys. Wait. Okay.
dili ko muagi oy. Dili ko muagi dira.
You're a weird ass bitch. Apple.
Diri maning mga static.
Yeah. Wala, uy. Mura taga-bukid. Oh, fuck. Bitch. But we're gonna go walk across the sea with this. Shit, okay. Oh my god. It's kind of clear when you're like the only one walking in the same direction. But like, they're at their part. I'm gonna walk here so that you can see. It's kind of clear, but it's full of like,
Ang sige tawag ka ng mga lumot, day. Seaweeds. Ang sige tawag ka to, ay. Kanang mga, ang sige na sila. Pathogens. Di na ko nabawaan na to sa atong aquaculture, gani. Di na ko nabawaan din. Kanang kwan ba? Dili, ay, ang pathogens are dili po. Oh my god, my memory is not memorizing siya. So guys, for my English kind of that there's a sound, there's a beat. Bye. I'm not really good at English that much. I'm still processing, learning.
unsa na? What's your name and what are you eating? What's your name and what's your eating? Unsa na? Yeah, so sulti sa unsa na nung dish? It's
Fried rice with
made with rice, corn, sweet corn, banana,
ham and
egg and banana. Yeah. You can see my shadow.
She's still eating. Gosh. So now we're on our way to our next destination. Look at that. Look at that girl. She's doing run. Huh? Alas 2:27. 2:27. Pagin sa nga area. Look. See?
Look at that.
Yeah, what's that? Sea
Sea urchin.
Dili pod. Sea urchin kay tuyong.
This is a kind of sea urchin.
Sa kanya.
Starfish.
And starfish. Yeah. Guys, let's do Christmas carol. Ay, putang ina!
Nakalimot ko. Abot na lang yun.
That scared me.
Don't sit there and back there.
That scared the shit out of me. Literal.
Nasa una-una, di ka ron.
What the fuck?
Aray, namunit ko ba ito? Hala, di ko gunita ni Honey. Hala, mapandul ko.
Oh, this bitch is fucking very acting. You're such a pick me girl. Huh?
Diba kayo? Guys!
See, deserve. I'm not gonna feel sorry for you.
Oh my God, walang malili.
Uy, dagan kid mga sa tawag creatures na noon. Mga insects gani. Okay. Now we're already here in the next destination. Dito sa ano? Nagi tubig. Oh, look at the beach. Love the beach. Yes. Now, guys, saan sa kita ka ng linaw? Little lake. Kind of like, So, mamulagi ko rin tatakot ng suko, gid ko. Look at that. Look at that. It's a flowing water. A steam. A steam. A flowing water. Yeah. Oh, it's very clear. Yeah. So, okay, I'm gonna get you back later because I'm gonna just rest. See ya. Mana na, Dak? Kita man mo. Na-block. Jokes lang. Birthday girl. Ay boy, ay girl, ay boy, ay girl. Anak mo siya. Birthday boy. Kamu siya, Crab. Ayos lang. Ba, nagkaligo na siya. Tanawa, nabigyan mo muna na kaya ka.
What's up, guys? They are finally bored and done. So me and Lyle is gonna sing a song. Reminder. We're not really a good singer, you know. Ikaw lang sa mga Spotify.
Yeah, karaoke ba?
Kani karaoke. We're not really a good singer. Mga unique kita mura ra tag mga bata nga may linaw.
Ganay ba, hindi mo.
Muna.
How caring.
Hindi pa din nilinaw po. Different ko ay kanang lain dito shrimp na makao.
Love you. I love you. I love you. By Celine Dion.
What? Ilaw!
I must be crazy now.
Kasi dito.
Maybe I dream too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. To whisper in your ear words that are always mine. Words only you would hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you look in my eyes. Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words as you'd lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These few words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time.
Paso niya ako, buong. Hindi ka din. Ako naman siya, kaila siya ninyo. Kaya mo, hindi siya sa mua.
Ano naman, papalo na ka?
Kaya mo siya sa mua.
Sabi, alas 4 daw.
Today,
that heart deep inside to walk right up to your dawn. But my body can't move when I
Hindi siya magbutang sa
like 1,000 times before.
Balik ko, ayun mo lang
Then without the words,
Ay, di na,
give me this letter. 3:30 na lang, oy. 3:30 na lang.
Saan oras ah?
Alas 3 unto.
Bagoy pa.
Balik ko sa ba? Oh, dito na. Dito na. Ito ba nga sa tapi na ako sa gilas ni? Amo ba sa nito? Samok-samok mo.
Now, we're on our way to go home. Phone stand. Job.
Ay, magalati.
We're on our way to go home because one of our friend has been called home. Look. Bye. So yeah, we're on our way to the last destination before we go home. Sadly, we have only just a couple of hours hanging out right now. We have only just quite time it's not even that fun. Like
maybe. Just kill you. Oh, gama just kill you. Ha? Usa na sila. Ay, ano na? Just kill you. Basta. Gama siya. So yeah.
hoping next time when we hang out, it will be like more time though. Uy, by the way, manlaag tayo Pasko. Pasko sa Buloon.
Dalagit unto ni.
Dalag? Mahal po. Ay, makasakay dito dyan. Agi ka dira po. Dalag.
Sa loob, panguwi, taga-dalagit din ay kuan, multi-cup.
Dito sa hilig bitaw kag tagalayo sa
Dalagit sige, hindi maigo.
Sikin sa i-name drop na to. I-name drop ron natin sa manron.
Hoy, magsige kaya ko kabyo. Kita na ko twice, thrice banuon.
Bye. I'm gonna just focus on them first. Then I'll settle you again, guys. And finally, we're on our way home now. I didn't like take a bath. Usually like I do this kind of stuff, but today since I'm setting a goal, I didn't. I only like washed my toes and hands, I guess. Yeah. Oh, fudge. Sadly, we're going home now. We have like just a quiet time, having fun, it wasn't really that enjoyable. Oh, asa naman ka? Tara, oh! Diyos ko. See them? Finally, we're already here in the highway. Now we're going to walk again on our way home separately. And the two of our baddest bitch is gonna ride a vehicle because they have one and we don't. That's kind of unfair. But at the same time, that's just what life is. Hi! January!
January 1.
Kinsang birthday?
Diba, ako man ron. Imo na sa birthday, maligo ka sunod.
December 31.
Ay, wala. Mga ligo tao, few days before.
Ay,
after ding highway, oh, doon raman. Dito na.
Oh, asa na taagi gani? Dire?
Dire.
Dire.
Ay, nako.
Libo ko ano. And finally, we're in the highway. So, I'm just gonna have to say goodbye to this bitch. Bye.
Saan lang ako ninyo ang mga
Yeah. Si GC.
Saan na lang ni Jesus. Jesus ra. I-upgrade mo.
Basta nadunggan ka. Yeah.
Hi, GM's vlog.
So, ang front. So, si Tawirang sa street, no? Hindi kita patakil.
Balo, ihatod pa. Hatod ka na muna. Kamo, nasulin.
Okay. We already said goodbyes to the bitches. Maagi man ilahang kontrang motor. There they are. There they are. There they are. Bye, bitch! Happy birthday! And there they go. So, still didn't really have fun that much because like I have like my limitations and stuff. I didn't really like take a bath with them. Now, labag lang guro tatan. Now we're going to cross, and there we are. Ganin nyo kadi? Char. Oh, careful. Unsa ignorant og balots. Dili sad oy. First time ang good.
Ah, balot sa puti. Balot sa puti. Di ba ang balot kay sa itik mo? Una biya. I was like, at first I thought that balot comes from like small chicks. Like from hens. But as soon as I know that it comes from like duck, I was like, what? So yeah, balot is like a Filipino traditional street food. It's kind of well known to other countries as well when they come to Philippines. It's kind of one of the main street foods to try here in Philippines.
Oh, this will be it. We'll go on our separate ways, say goodbye to each other, and then I'm gonna end this. Okay, so I'm finally at home right now. I'm gonna be just honest right now. I did not expect that it would end up like that. I mean, I kind of have fun, but at the same time, I just chill. I'm usually like a funny person, spontaneous. Like I don't know what I did back there, but well, So, if you have fun watching this video, which I personally think kind of lame, make sure you like, subscribe. Yeah, that's all. Leave a comment if you love it, or should I do like another vlog, or should I just stop it, you know? So bye. This is just my formal goodbye. Bye.